I think at the time, Smallville was kind of making the mold. And so anytime there was like super speed or laser vision or all the different things that he was doing, we were putting that in the Avid.
Smallville, you were there for a couple seasons, is that right? Or 3 seasons?
I was there 4 seasons, 2 as an assistant and 2 as an editor.
Was that a heavy visual effects type show?
It was,
And
yeah.
I've done other stuff since then. Has it changed dramatically, or is it like on how you edit heavy visual effects TV shows?
Well, I think at the time Smallville was kind of making the mold and really developing that. And so when I was starting, I was learning from Andy, and she was really doing out like temping all of her temp effects. She was doing all of that. And so anytime there was like super speed or laser vision or all the different things that he was doing, we were putting that in the Avid. And at that time, it looked very cartoonish, right? It kind of looked like Charlie Brown a little bit in it. So now it's way more sophisticated, and it looks, I mean, some of the things you don't even know now. It's amazing what we can do just in the Avid without outside visual effects. So I've definitely been on a lot of visual effects shows. It's really helpful when they actually do have a visual effects editor that can help you temp that stuff, especially for really intense shows. I mean, shows are much more intense now than Smallville ever was. So it really has changed quite significantly.
So you work with the visual, like if they have a visual effects editor, they come in like right away when you're cutting, or are they like there after you've already had a couple cuts?
Yeah, usually they are there at the start of the season. And what ends up happening is I usually have to temp something myself because I have to figure out the timing, right? So I do sort of a bad version mock-up of whatever it is I'm looking for. And then I talk to the visual effects editor and say, hey, here's the deal. Here's the look I'm going for. If you have better ideas or have a way to, make this really look a lot better, or you can clean up these mats, right? They can do all of that stuff so it looks a lot cleaner and easier to watch. It doesn't take you out of the cut when you're watching it. So that's what I really appreciate the visual effects editors doing for us. Saves a lot of time.